Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be going over my 1 week first impression on the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. So I've been using this for about 1 week now, and a couple of things that I like about it, or 5 things you should know before you buy it, is that the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is fairly large. So this is a 12.5 by 12.5 air fryer. It does take a considerable amount of counter space on my countertop. Compared to my old air fryer, which was like 8 by 8 inches, it was fairly small. But I guess there's a trade-off just because I can fit more food in here now versus my other air fryer where I couldn't fit as much food. Now, the second thing that I really like about this Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is that it does favor flat foods. So think flat wings, you can fit a 12-inch pizza here. You can fit in 4 slices of bread. And because it has such a wide surface area and a heating ring on the top and at the bottom, you don't really have to flip your food around. Now, compared to my old air fryer, where I would have to go ahead and shake the food around like midway through the air fry, this one here has been evenly cooking. I don't have to reopen it. I don't have to shake the food. I don't have to check on it. So it does come at a cost though. So because I do favor flatter foods compared to thicker foods, if you have like really thick steak or really thick chicken, or let's say a whole potato that you're trying to air fry, it's not gonna fit in here, okay? So the clearance in this is about 2.5 inches, I believe. So if you do tend to cook larger foods, do know that it may not fit in here, especially with the grill plate inside. Now, other things to note, this does connect to your app. So there are a bunch of presets, and with those presets, you can adjust the preset temperatures and the timers. So although, let's say you have a preset for toast, or you have a preset for grill or air fryer or steak, even though it sets it to a desired temperature of 450 and 10 minutes, you can still customize those settings within the app itself. Now, one of the main features of the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer is that it does have a self-cleaning and deep cleaning mode. So what happens is that the air fryer temperature does increase very highly so that it basically nullifies any hard debris, grease, etc. inside of the dome of the air fryer. Now, with the app integration on your phone, you are able to set the different modes. However, I did notice that you still have to manually start the air fryer. You can't actually manually start it from your phone just because it's going to ask you to actually start it manually. And I imagine that's like some sort of safety measure and such. Now, in this air fryer, I've made pizza, I've made wings, I've made nuggets, I've made fries, I've toasted a lot of bread. It really works well. And I'd say one of the best things about it is I can cook more food, more flat foods, whereas in my old air fryer, if I wanted to cook 3 pieces of toast, I would have to stack the toast on one another. So definitely a preference for if you cook a lot more flatter foods, you definitely would like this air fryer. But if you cook thicker foods, then you'd probably like a different air fryer. Now, cleaning is a breeze. Both the basket and the grill plate are dishwasher safe. So you can easily throw this into the dishwasher, have it run, take it out, and then afterwards place it back inside. Now, with cleaning it, just make sure that you remove any big debris. And I guess that's mostly it. I think my biggest adjustment as far as using this air fryer goes is how big it is. So I'm used to being able to just take the basket out, lay in front of it. But because it's so big, like I need to actually lift it and place it to the side and then actually go ahead and remove the food. Now, recall how I said that my former air fryer was about 8 by 8 inches? I can easily just pull the basket out, place it on the countertop, and then get my food out and then place it back in. But this is still a minor detail. It's not the biggest deal breaker as far as using the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer goes. But overall, I'd say if you're looking for a nice future modern looking air fryer, one that can cook a lot of flat foods, and best of all, you don't need to actually shake the food while it's inside there, I'd say this is a great option. Just keep note that you're not going to be able to cook really thick foods such as like a whole potato. And the app integration is great. Like you can see how much time is left on your air fryer. If you want to go ahead and add more time, you can do that as well. You can edit all these customization settings. So like I mentioned, even though toast says 385 degrees in 5 minutes, you can still customize that within the app itself. And so with it, my other air fryer, it was very dirty. So the deep cleaning mode is definitely going to be helpful as far as removing any grease, any oil spills, and just nullifying it with very, very high temperatures. And then cleaning is a breeze also. So being able to just throw this in a dishwasher is going to be great. Just know that it does take up a considerable amount of room. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys, as far as my 1 week first impressions on the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. If you guys have any other questions, let me know.